Ah, the day has finally come to show off our gigantic Boxo USA Tools trailer that doubles. Oh, I just want to close it for a sec. Show off the full look. Our trailer is supposed to look like a giant toolbox because this baby is sponsored by Boxo Tools, and this is a gigantic screen in a trailer that we bought because we needed a new scoreboard here at the Freedom Factory. You raising her up, bud?
Raising her up.
Pretty sweet.
All 20 feet wide, 11 and a half tall.
Nice. That's crazy. All right, so that scoreboard over there, pretty old school technology, not real beautiful. We talked about changing that out for a screen. So when people are here at the Freedom Factory, they can see a beautiful screen scoreboard. Well, here's the issue. We have a lot of hurricanes, and then we have to leave our screen outside in the hurricanes, and potentially it just get destroyed year after year. So we decided to buy this trailer, and back behind the scoreboard, you can now pull this entire trailer up and park it on top of the hill next to that scoreboard and use it as a scoreboard. Or you can pull it down here. For instance, at our burnout competition at Les Mullets, you'll see this bad girl right on the side of the burnout pad showing the live stream that's playing on Freedom Plus. So we're going to show you it for the first time today. It is really freaking cool. If you guys went to Tour Destruction last weekend, you probably saw it. Look at that puppy. 20 by 11 and a half. And this is only possible by Boxo USA. They're the official scoreboard sponsor, but really it's like they're our screen trailer
We have
sponsor.
them up on the other scoreboard, which blew away from the storm.
Oh yeah,
that's going back
that
up.
blew away in the storm. But they kind of doubled down and really helped us out to get this awesome trailer that
This thing is
it's way more than a scoreboard, you know? Like if you put a screen there, it can only do really one thing.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, it's also movie night for the Christmas tree lights.
Oh,
so
yeah.
Showing Christmas movies for that. So,
Yep.
I mean, anything we want, it's here.
Yeah, we can watch Cletus videos on it. Do you have a video chosen out for this?
I mean, there's
moment?
definitely a video we should play. He's got it queued up.
Oh.
You're on the Cletus Confirmed YouTube channel.
Oh, OG Freedom Factory video? What's up with our few panels we have?
So there's a couple panels that we have to replace. We got the replacements in there, and we just noticed it on certain colors.
It's simply a fact that every young boy.
Ooh, that sound is pretty legit.
Crispy. You really don't need anything else besides
Dude, it is so bright. My phone is struggling. Big shout out to Boxo on this deal.
Huge shout out to Boxo, man.
That's awesome. And we're working on our own Boxo toolbox. Freedom Factory / Cletus toolbox should be out in a few months.
Code Cletus, 20% off.
Site-wide, 20% off. Code Cletus, Boxo USA. I'll put their link in the description below. If you haven't already checked out their tools, they're killer. And they're out here sponsoring the Freedom Factory. So this is a really cool screen. For those of you who are coming to the Freedom Factory, you will see this puppy out. It's pretty awesome. That's a little update.
See here is 6
Pretty sweet new gadget we have.
I love it.